Alright, so I got a quick video here on the Insta360 Go 3. I did a review on this camera a couple months ago, and it's a very good camera. I took this on vacation with me to South Korea. I went there for 3 weeks in September, and I wanted to take a camera that I could just kind of whip out, capture some really quick footage, and not really think about it. So I did bring obviously the camera and the action pod, and it of course comes with the screen and all that. I was planning to use it in the action pod mainly, but then I changed my mind. I wanted to do more sort of on-the-go shooting, and so I ended up just taking the camera out of the action pod. As you can see, very easy to take out, and I just used it by itself, and it was very simple. Put it into my pocket, whip it out, press the button, starts recording, press the button again, stops recording. Really nothing to think about, just kind of point and shoot. And I really didn't have any plans for what exactly I wanted to capture. I just wanted to sort of capture the things I thought were kind of interesting as I kind of was traveling around. And I actually didn't even fill up this whole thing. So this has 64 gigabytes of storage on here, and I only used about 40 gigabytes over the 3 weeks, and I charged it 3 times, so about once per week. I needed a battery charge. And the way I used it, very simple. Whipped it out, pressed the button, recorded for maybe 5-10 seconds, quick clips here and there. You know, not very long. You know, I didn't like do these 5-hour overheating tests or anything like that. I just kind of use it as anyone would use a normal camera, and just sort of whip it out, take some shots, and capture the moments and look at the footage later. Obviously, you're not going to see all 40 gigabytes of footage. I'm throwing away a vast majority of it, but you're going to see some of the highlights here. And yeah, I just basically, just took it out and point and shot, and just here's kind of the stuff I captured. This is going to be sort of an ASMR type vlog, no voiceover or something like that. I will have some captions and annotations on some of the more interesting places that maybe you haven't heard of before, if you ever go and visit South Korea. But I didn't, this wasn't a trip where I was travel vlogging or anything like that. I just was on vacation and happened to go to some interesting places. I've been there several times before, so it's a lot of the sort of touristy places I've already seen. But in any event, here are some of the highlights of my trip, and it'll give you a sense of how useful this camera is, because if you want to just whip it out and capture some footage really quickly, this is probably the quickest way to do it. It's a wide variety of footage. You got some nighttime footage, daytime footage, indoors, outdoors, so it's kind of a little bit of everything. And yeah, at the end of the video, I'll tell you where you can pick this up if you're interested in that, and also link in the video description my review of the camera if you want to see a complete review. But here's all the footage, and let me know what you guys think in the comments.
감사합니다. 가뜨고요.
먹겠습니다.
어디로 뛰어야 돼요?
That's well.
Churl.
Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video, and don't forget the links to the camera are down in the video description, along with a link to the video review that I did a couple months ago. That'll do it for this video. Talk to you guys in the next one.